Here I have HUAWEI Y7 and let me show you how to enable developer options on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's unlock the screen, find and select the settings. So here I have the settings. Let's scroll down to the bottom of the list and choose About Phone. Afterwards, you have to find the build number and let's tap a couple of times on that number. As you can see, you are now a developer. You can go back and right here under advanced options, you've got developer options. Here we can enable some interesting features. For example, you can allow the device to be OEM unlocked by using the Enable OEM Unlocking. You may also use, for example, the USB debugging. Let me enable the USB debugging and other stuff, such as you can, for example, enable view attribute inspection. You can disable verifying apps over the USB and a lot of more useful developer features. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.